We are going to take the break that they give, the 4:30 to 6:30 walking by your neighborhood. And this is our hood.
Alright, let me tell you guys about the curfew rules. From 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. the rules are: you're allowed to leave your house as long as you keep your nose and mouth covered, keep a physical distance between yourself and others, walks are permitted inside your area of your residence only. It is not permitted to walk outdoors after these hours, including inside the area. Do not use cars or other vehicles. Now let's go for a nice little walk.
So right now we're on our daily walk from 4:30 to 6:30. You're allowed to go outside your homes and walk. Just remember to keep a safe distance, and you gotta wear these masks.
Guys, we're gonna go in the color truck, that one over there.
You can see a few people walking out here. You got the mall, you got our neighborhood, you got a Bacala truck that's closed.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Guys, that's our walk. Enjoy the scenery, get some fresh air, and we'll see you tomorrow. Day 7 lockdown, Kuwait. See you later.
You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high.
Jesse, give me back. And I'll be the director. Cut.
Cold coconut. There we go.
Cut.
Come and try this. Tell me what it tastes like.
You gotta try this. You drink it?
Jasmine, try it. It's coconut.
Sip it.
Hey,
Yo, look.
how about saving some coconut for the rest of us? Get your coconut right here, sir. Oh! Coconut will knock you down.